Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Toyota Corolla Accent Sports Hatch, stock reference number 4540. This shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 3rd month 2015. It has a 2AZ 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear tailgate. Rear bumper cover looks to be in good condition. Right tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke black leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.